And good morning, happy Monday. I'm meteorologist Sean McAday. What I'll say isn't too surprising, but it makes sense if you think about it. Today's going to be the warmest day of the year so far. Temperatures are not going to be brutally cold like they were all weekend long. Wind chills for the first time in over 48 hours around lunchtime or just before lunchtime will actually be above zero. The whole weekend, the wind chill was below zero. It was crazy cold. But finally, we're starting to get even towards almost 20 degrees with the feels like temperature towards this afternoon. So this afternoon will be more comfortable as long as you bundle up still to do those things you wanted to do this past weekend outside, but you couldn't because it was too cold. Mostly sunny skies today, definitely sunny this morning and totally this afternoon. Highs probably the mid-20s actually, which is very average for this time of year. Things starting to kind of level out in the teens overnight. Here's a look at what I mean. So our computer model SkyTracker 3, lunchtime, some brief clouds work through the area. Sunny again this afternoon. I do think the high temperatures look something like this, maybe 23 in Rochester, 26 in Mason City. And overnight, clouds start to hold on to that heat. That's going to prevent things from getting colder into the single digits. And actually, it's going to allow us to get even warmer on Tuesday. Tuesday, some of us making it all the way into the low 30s. 32 is the freezing point. If some of us get above that, you could see some light snow melt. So tomorrow will be an even better day to get outside. It will be cloudier though. Then we're tracking a brief chance for some snow. Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. Wednesday 1 a.m. Low pressure center passing to our north. There's not a lot of moisture with this system, and because of that, the snow is going to come down through dry air in a very patchy manner. That means things are going to be totally uneven. It's not going to be snow like just a fresh coating, kind of evenly placed for everybody. It's going to be very divided. Thankfully, though, it doesn't look like it's going to be a whole lot of snow. Colder air moving in after that. We'll talk about that in a second. But here's my snowfall forecast for tomorrow night through Wednesday morning. We could see slick roads, North Iowa. Trace amounts to 1 inch at the very most. In southern Minnesota, it's a bit closer to 2 inches at the very most. And again, just to give you a hypothetical scenario, it could be like 1 inch in Mason City, and then maybe nothing in Albert Lee, and 2 inches in Owatonna, and then nothing in Dodge Center. To get you a kind of idea, it's going to be very patchy. It's not going to be even. So that's why I put trace amounts in southern Minnesota. There could definitely be some which don't get anything, right next to some which get a decent amount. After that snow system, gets cold again. High temperature Thursday, 1 degree below zero. Wind chills, again, dangerously cold through parts of Friday morning. I'm actually just going to skip ahead to that right here. Here's a look at the wind chills. Wednesday morning, 20 degrees below zero. It feels like that through most of the day, and it's 30 degrees below zero Thursday morning. So I am expecting another wind chill advisory around that time before a slight warm up towards Saturday.